subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Enjoy your life today because yesterday had gone and tomorrow may never come. Life is like camera, so face it with a smile. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I have learned about life. It goes on. Seriously, life is better when you decide you don't care. Always remember, life is a journey, not a race. Do not talk, just act. Do not say, just show. Do not promise, just prove it. Work for a cause, not for emphasis. Live life to express, not to impress. Every new day is a chance to change your life. No love is greater than mom's love. No care is greater than dad's care. Life is a one-time offer. Use it well. Life is never easy for those who dream. You change your life by changing your heart. There is always something to be thankful for. A good life is a collection of happy moments. Sometimes the things we change end up changing us. Who are you to judge the life I live? I know I am not perfect and I do not live to be, but before you start pointing fingers, make sure your hands are clean. Life is not about finding yourself. Enjoy life. A strong person never comes with an easy past. Life is not always sunshine and butterfly. Kill tension before tension kill you. Reach your goal before goal kicks you. Live before life leaves you. Love is so strange. Sometimes it becomes a reason to live and sometimes to live life. I will say about life something. Life is like ice cream. Enjoy it before it melts. A person's success depends on their commitments. Good and good sense are two of life's greatest blessings. The people who want to stay in your life will always find a way. Dear life, one thing I will tell you, I love you even when you are angry. Never give up. There is no such thing as an ending, just a new beginning. Sometimes life is about risking it all for a dream no one else can see but you. Do not wish you life was good. Do not hope it will get better. Get up, make it amazing. Hard times are sometimes blessings. In discuss, we do have to suffer, but in the end, it makes strong, better wish. Every single person on the planet has a story. Do not judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you. A life without challenge would be like going to school without lesson to learn. A life without suffering is a life without happiness. A single moment of true joy is more powerful than a lifetime of sorrow. Friends, always remember one thing. Never judge anyone till you have heard the full story and found out why they do the things they do. Sometimes you have to drop some things in order for you to carry more important things. In life, problems continuously come and go. It never stops. So just enjoy, learn, and face it.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.